Zimbabwe Air Force helicopter crashes after President Mnangagwa's birthday bash in Masvingo, the Zimbabwe Mail reports. Hello viewers, welcome to Champions Network TV. A helicopter belonging to the Air Force of Zimbabwe, AFZ, crashed during takeoff yesterday at Masvingo Airport shortly after transporting passengers from President Mnangagwa's birthday celebrations. Mnangagwa turned 82 on September 15, 2024, and more than 30,000 youths from all 10 provinces attended the event. According to sources within the AFZ, who spoke exclusively to the Zimbabwean Mail, said no casualties have been reported. However, the extent of injuries or damage to the helicopter remains unclear as investigations are still ongoing. Details surrounding the cause of the crash were still emerging last night. Information Ministry Permanent Secretary Nikki Mangwana confirmed the incident on his X, formerly Twitter account, stating there was an aviation incident involving one of the Air Force of Zimbabwe helicopters that traveled to Masvingo, he wrote. Thankfully, there were no casualties. Civil aviation authorities are investigating and their findings will be shared with the nation when available. Zimbabwe operates Russian-manufactured helicopters. Further updates are expected once official investigations conclude. ZANU-PF's lavish $2 million birthday bash for President Emmerson Mnangagwa is reportedly in the crosshairs of the international donor community after the country recently extended a begging bowl to raise over $2 billion to avert starvation in Zimbabwe. The Zimbabwean government is known for throwing money like confetti, pampering ministers, judges, lawmakers, and chiefs, while millions of the population face food shortages after the Mnangagwa government declared the El Nino-induced drought a state of disaster. Thank you for choosing Champions Network TV.